Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5 Cameras. In this video, we've taken a quick look at the best camera for nature and wildlife photography. Price information and links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. If you have other products you would like us to review, please tell us in the comments or visit 9to5cameras.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Starting at number 5, we have Nikon D6. This is another advanced and feature-rich DSLR camera on the market today, making it another top pick for sports and wildlife photography. Supporting a low-noise 20.8 megapixel CMOS sensor, Nikon's most advanced multicam 37000 autofocus system, a fast XP6 processor, 14 fps continuous shooting speed, a huge buffer, and dual CF Express memory card slots. The Nikon D6 is a monster of a camera. The autofocus system features a total of 105 all-cross type focus points that deliver fast and accurate focusing, which is extremely important when shooting fast action. For those on a tighter budget, Nikon's previous generation top-of-the-line DSLRs like D4, D4S and D5 are also excellent choices for sports and wildlife photography. Moving on at number 4, we have Canon EOS 1D X Mark III. If your system of choice is Canon, the latest EOS 1D X Mark III is an absolute marvel for any kind of action photography, including sports and wildlife. Canon engineers put their best efforts into making it the most feature-rich and complete DSLR camera on the market today, and it really shows. With its advanced 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that produces low noise images even at extremely high ISO levels, 191 point advanced autofocus system, superb dual pixel CMOS AF and 5.5K video shooting capabilities. This device shines as both advanced stills and video camera. Canon's new autofocus system is what makes the 1D X Mark III stand out from the competition. In addition to the advanced face detection autofocus system that features face detection, head detection, and deep learning for advanced subject recognition and tracking, Canon also incorporated its dual pixel CMOS AF into the camera that takes autofocus performance to the next level. This brings many of the benefits of modern mirrorless cameras in terms of autofocus features. At 16 fps, the 1D X Mark III is also the fastest camera on the market when it comes to continuous shooting speed, and it can shoot at such insane speeds with full-time AI servo AF. Switching to live view, it extends the shooting speed to 20 fps. Also with continuous autofocus and tracking capabilities, and it can do all that without ever running out of the camera buffer, even when shooting RAW plus JPEG images. Number 3. Sony A9, a 24 megapixel full-frame mirrorless camera. The Sony A9 combines high performance with a compact size. It has a mind-boggling 20 frames per second shooting speed and 693 point shooting speed. Initially, I hadn't been recommending this camera purely because suitable lenses for wildlife photography did not exist. However, Sony have now released a number of telephotos that make the A9 a great choice. There's also now a Sony A9 II, but the only notable benefits this new camera brings with it are boosts to connectivity. This is something beneficial to press and sports photographers working on location and needing to deliver images quickly, but not of note to wildlife photographers. Number 2. Nikon D500, a popular choice amongst nature and wildlife photographers. The Nikon D500 exploded onto the scene, boasting huge capabilities for a crop sensor camera. With the same autofocus system as Nikon's flagship DSLR, the D500 is the best choice for photographing birds in flight and other fast-moving wildlife. It has a 21 megapixel sensor with great ISO capabilities and offers you that extra rich signature of a crop sensor camera. Number 1. Nikon D850. Relatively new onto the scene, the Nikon D850 is being described as possibly the best all-rounder camera for nature photography. While this camera is excellent for wildlife photography, it is also capable of shooting stunning landscapes as well. Specifications speak for themselves, with 7 frames per second shooting speed at a huge 45.7 megapixels. This camera is definitely a wildlife photographer's dream. That is all for this video everyone. Big thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.